In this video, let us discuss Article 21A of Indian Constitution, that is right to education. It says that the states, that is central and state governments, shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of age of 6 to 14 years in such a manner as the state may by law determine. In this provision, the word free and compulsory plays an important role. Free means free of fees or any payment. Compulsory means it is the obligation of state to provide free education to children. This article was added by 86 Constitution Amendment Act of 2002. This amendment is considered as the milestone in the country's aim to achieve education for all. The government describes this as a step as the dawn of the second revolution in the chapter of citizen rights. Before 86th Constitution Amendment Act of 2002, there was a provision for education for children under Article 45 of Directive Principle of State Policy, that is 4th Schedule of Indian Constitution. But Directive Principle of State Policy being non-justicable, that means cannot be enforceable by court, 86th Constitution Amendment Act added 21A as fundamental right in 3rd Schedule of Indian Constitution, as it is being justicable in nature. So there is scope for judicial intervention in this regard. That is, if this right is denied, a person can directly approach Supreme Court for resolution as a writ. 86th Amendment Act of 2002, apart of adding 21A into the Constitution, it also added 51A, a new fundamental duty that provides every citizen of India to provide opportunity for education to his child between age 6 to 14 years, and also amended the Article 45 Directive Principle of State Policy that state shall provide early childhood care education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. This provision 21A, that is free and compulsory education to all children of age 6 to 14 years, is only for elementary and not for higher or professional education. This education provided by state is allowed to all government, private, aided and unaided schools. The only exception is it does not include minority institutions. Minority here means religious and linguistic institutions. Case law. Ashok Kumar vs. Union of India 2008. Supreme Court upheld that every child up to 14 years has a fundamental right to free education. In the latest judgment of Supreme Court upheld the Uttar Pradesh Madrasa Education Act 2004, reversing an Allahabad High Court ruling that it was unconstitutional. The court stressed the importance of Article 21A, right to education, that acts harmoniously with Article 30, that is right to freedom of minorities, whether religion or linguistic minorities, to establish and administer educational institutions. Thanks for watching this video.